Got bacon in my teeth. America. Hey there folks, how you doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Please bear with any background racket that you may hear throughout this production. I'm not going to waste a whole lot of your time on this today, but what we have here in the case will be our next project rifle here on this channel. Now this channel being our YouTube channel, but also our Rumble channel. More on that later, but suffice it to say, full content on Rumble, reduced content on YouTube because of the algorithm. We came into possession of the item in the case here today because a buddy of mine moved away to a place where he could not take it with him, and while that is unfortunate for him, it did afford us a very unique opportunity to take this and build it into something really special. So moving right along, I'm going to open this up so you can see what we have inside here, folks. I don't know how well you can see that through the magic of video editing. What we have here, folks, is a very early Savage Axis rifle. This one was purchased by my friend along with this Vortex Diamondback 4x12x40 scope, which he said he purchased about the same time, and the paperwork on the scope from GovX said that was 2017, so we're going to go with that. He put the rifle together, took it to the range one time, and never did anything else with it. So while this rifle has some really good bones to it, I mean, it's nearly new, it's a great platform, it's a great caliber, it's got a good scope on it. Well, we might change that down the line. There are some basic things that I really don't like about it. One of them is this first generation Savage Axis stock. I'll show you an up close here in just a second of just how pathetic the forend is on this. Now Savage has since taken strides to fix that on later generations, but this one has the nasty stock that everybody says lends to poor accuracy with the rifle. All right, and here is an up close and personal view of how much flex is in the forend of this stock. I think you can probably see that, but with just a little bit of pressure you can push the stock against the barrel in all three directions, which could negatively affect barrel harmonics as well as accuracy. The other thing about this particular one is it has the basic standard Savage trigger on it. While I do not have a proper trigger pull gauge, I would say the trigger is probably at least 6 or 7 pounds. And it's kind of gritty and stagey, so I think we're going to do something about that as well. So yeah, first order of business, of course, will be to take this to the range, put it on paper, and have some baseline groups to work with. So concerning the stock, there are really two basic options that I am considering for the replacement on this. The first one would be Magpul's new for 2023 Hunter Light series stock, debuted SHOT Show 2023. As of right now on their website, they're still not available. The other option would be Boyd's At One stock, which maybe not in this color configuration, but something similar. I've had good luck with Boyd stocks in the past, and while some of the early Magpul stuff was questionable, their Hunter series stocks are really nice and rigid, and according to the little video that they put out with this new design, the Hunter Light shares the same aluminum bed block that the Hunter stock has, so I don't think there's going to be any issues with that one either. So what I need from you now is go over to the community page on our YouTube channel and vote on whether you would like to see the Boyd's At One stock or the Magpul Hunter Light stock on this rifle, because I'm going to put it off on y'all as to which one we pick for this rifle. So until next time, folks, take care. God bless.